गोव्यात पर्यटन विकासाच्या नावाखाली निसर्गाचा विध्वंस सुरू असल्याचा आरोप हणजुणे बारदेश फोरमने शनिवारी पत्रकार परिषदेत केलाय। या पत्रकार परिषदेस काँग्रेस आमदार अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सही उपस्थित होते। हणजुणे इथं सीआरझेड अंतर्गत बंपी जंपिंग क्रीडा प्रकार उभारण्यासाठी दिल्लीतील एका उद्योजकाने खासगी जमीन खरेदी केली आहे। या ठिकाणी सध्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात झाडांची कत्तल करण्यात आली असून टेकडीवरही सपाटीकरण करण्यात आले। हा प्रकार त्वरित बंद न केल्यास राष्ट्रीय हरित लवादाकडे तक्रार केली जाईल असा इशारा फोरमच्या नेत्यांनी यावेळी दिलाय।
Part of the land belongs to GTDC, part of the land belongs to Comunidad of Anjuna. Now Comunidad of Anjuna has made a fraud. They will have to come clean on giving on land giving to the guys who are doing that bungee jumping. Now bungee jumping, they are saying that there is an NOC from the Comunidad of Anjuna. There is no permission from the administrator. The Comunidad of Anjuna will have to come clean. I will be writing a letter within these 2 days to Rohan County, the Honorable Minister of Revenue, and I want him to inquire under what rules and regulations this land is given first.
Now, these permissions were not even granted. The Comunidad has written to the administrator. The administrator has not yet replied to them, and they use this letter, which is asking for permission, as permission granted. 4,000 square meters for that bungee jumping, plus Virgin Mountain. They want permission for road to be built for that bungee jumping. And how the TCP is giving permission for clearance for doing that bungee jumping when there is no existing road? They are asking for an existing road over the mountain, Virgin Mountain. This is basically a grouse that we do not want our mountains to be destroyed.
Your town and country planning makes it rule that on the hill slope you cannot cut, no? 17% gradient, 1:10 gradient. You know that on a gradient you cannot cut, because if you cut on a gradient you destabilize the hill. That is how in our country, in our state, what is happening, we first cut with the stabilized nature, we allow the soils to come out, and मागे देवान दाल्ले ते आमचे कितें म्हणटा पळय ते लँडस्लायड की जाली आमी न्हू ती केल्या ती देवान. अरे you don't know how to respect nature. Nature is God. You don't know that. Bungee jumping, what is bungee jumping compared to this hill which has sustained for generations?
ते सगळे नष्ट करपाक उरल्या आनी आतां फाल्यां जर जेन्ना पळय गोंयान जे आमकां भुरग्यांक जे फ्युचराक सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय ते सगळे महाराष्ट्रान जर दिल्लीन जर पावयता जाल्यार आमच्या गोंयकारांच्या भुरग्यांनी खंय वयचें? आज गांवांतल्या लोकांक जर कितें एक जॉब करतले, महिला जॉब करूंक सोदता थंयसर बारीकशें एक कितें टेबल घालून जर कितें बसतले करतले तांकां बडयो घेवन धांवडटा, पुलिसांक आपय तांकां उखलून व्हरता. आज युथांक जर जॉब ना जाल्यार हे भायले पळय हाडून हांगासर घालतात. त्याच जाग्याचेर आमच्या युथांक हे कमदात पळय जे चलयतात पळय न्हू तांकां युथांक लिजाचेर कित्याक दिना थंयसर? एक ल्हानसो कितें बिझनस घालून तेंच्या पोटा पाणयाक लागून कितें करूं शकतात न्हय ते. पण अशें जर भायल्या लोकांक हाडून बिझनस करून आमच्या भुरग्यांक जर तेंच्या पांया कडेन जर नोकरी करपाक दवरता जाल्यार कितें करूंक सोदता ते फ्युचरान भुरग्यांक आमच्या?
Already there is a stop order. Stop order दिला आसता how the stop order is given, you see. The stop order is given in the name of 1/3 person. Not even the people who are doing it. Some Kaitan Fernandez, कोण supervisor नांवान दिल्या. कोण खुद तेका पासूना आनी तरी आसतो काम चालू आहा. Forget about all that. This is not done just like that. Politician nexus is there between the politician, the builder and the Comunidad.